Are you using the campaigns tool in HubSpot correctly? If in doubt, then this video is for you. My name is Resa and I'm from Cacao Media, and this is Cacao Media Pod Tips. The campaigns tool is meant for you to organize and strategize your campaign efforts. It is not meant for you to open a campaign for every single activity that you do in HubSpot. I've seen time and time again that people open campaigns for every blog post they've opened or every social media post they do. This is not the way campaigns is supposed to be used in HubSpot. The idea for a campaign is, for example, when you have one specific business goal. So for example, you have an ebook or a webinar. If you have an ebook, you have certain assets that you will use to promote that ebook. For example, a landing page, emails, blogs, or even CTAs on social media posts. All of these tactics belong to that main campaign to promote the ebook. It therefore means when you open each of these tactics in HubSpot, you associate it with that campaign that you've opened previously, which is the ebook and the title of the ebook. The reason for doing this is that you will get better analytics to see which campaigns perform best and which tactics and channels brought you the most leads and contacts for this specific campaign. So if you're using campaigns to open every blog post today, please stop doing this. It's not the use and you will not see any ROI from your efforts of doing this. I hope this video has helped you, and feel free to leave in your comments any questions that you may have about campaigns. Thank you.